Welcome to Life Insight Web. I'm your host, Miss Insight. Have you ever felt anxious, unhappy, or had trouble sleeping without knowing why? Some people try many ways to solve these problems, but the issue still doesn't fully go away. What many people don't realize is that the answer may actually start in a surprising place, the gut. Today, we're going to talk about how gut health affects not only digestion, but also immunity, mood, and even sleep. I'm thrilled to have Dr. Life on the show to talk about a health topic that matters to every single one of us. Hi, Dr. Life. It's such a pleasure to have you on the show to talk about this topic.
Hi, Ms. Insight. Happy to be here to talk about this topic with you too.
Many people think the gut is only responsible for digestion, but recently we hear a lot about the gut microbiome. Why has gut health become such an important topic?
That's a great question. In recent years, scientists have discovered that the gut is much more than just a digestive organ. Inside our digestive system live trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as the gut microbiome. These bacteria play an important role in many bodily functions. For example, research shows that about 70 to 80% of the body's immune cells are located in the gut, which means the digestive system is actually the largest immune organ in the human body. So when the gut microbiome is balanced, it helps support immunity, digestion, and overall health. But when that balance is disrupted, it may affect many areas of the body.
So gut health isn't just about stomach problems.
Exactly. It can influence immunity, metabolism, and even mental well-being.
Recently, people also talk about something called the gut-brain axis. What exactly does that mean?
The gut-brain axis refers to the two-way communication system between the gut and the brain. The gut contains a large network of nerves and produces many chemical messengers that interact with the brain. Because of this connection, the state of our gut can influence how we feel emotionally. Scientists have even observed that people with certain neurological or mental health conditions, such as depression or Parkinson's disease, often show imbalances in their gut bacteria.
That's fascinating. So our emotions can affect our gut, and our gut can also affect our emotions?
Exactly. It's a two-way relationship. For example, when people are under a lot of stress, they may experience stomach discomfort or even diarrhea. Many people have experienced this before an important exam or presentation. That's the gut-brain connection in everyday life.
If gut health is so important, how can someone know whether their gut might be out of balance?
There are several common signs people can pay attention to. Digestive symptoms are the most obvious ones, such as frequent bloating, constipation, or diarrhea, stomach discomfort after eating. But interestingly, gut imbalance can also show up in other ways, such as fatigue, sleep problems, anxiety or mood changes, frequent colds or infections. Because the gut influences both the immune system and the nervous system,
So if someone has emotional issues like anxiety or insomnia, the gut could actually be part of the puzzle?
yes, it's possible. Of course, many factors affect mental health, but gut health can be one important piece of the overall picture.
So the next question is probably the one everyone wants to know. How can we take better care of our gut in everyday life?
Fortunately, many simple daily habits can support gut health. One of the most important things is diet. For example, eating more fiber-rich foods can help nourish beneficial gut bacteria. Foods like vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds all provide dietary fiber.
What about fermented foods?
Yes, fermented foods are also very helpful. Foods like yogurt, kimchi, miso, and kefir contain beneficial bacteria that may help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. People who frequently eat out, or do so as needed, can also take probiotic supplements to boost the beneficial bacteria in their gut, although whole foods are usually the best starting point.
Are there foods we should try to reduce?
Highly processed foods are one example. Many processed foods contain high amounts of sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives. When consumed frequently, these foods may disrupt the balance of gut bacteria. Examples include sugary drinks, packaged snacks, fast food, and highly processed desserts.
So the key idea is to focus more on whole foods?
Exactly. In addition to diet, lifestyle habits also matter. Beyond avoiding smoking, alcohol abuse, and prolonged sitting, one should strive to maintain a healthy lifestyle as much as possible. For example, maintaining regular sleep patterns, exercising regularly, managing stress levels. All of these can support a healthy gut environment.
I also heard that eating slowly and chewing food well can help digestion.
That's true. Digestion actually begins in the mouth. Chewing food thoroughly helps break it down and makes it easier for the stomach and intestines to process nutrients. Eating slowly also helps activate the body's rest and digest state, which supports healthy digestion.
It sounds like gut health is connected to so many aspects of our well-being.
Yes, it really is. The gut microbiome is like an ecosystem inside the body. When it's balanced, it supports digestion, immunity, and even emotional well-being. On top of that, it also provides anti-aging and anti-inflammatory benefits. We often hear that inflammation is the root of all diseases. So when the gut becomes imbalanced, it can affect many systems in subtle ways.
So the key message is that small daily habits can make a difference.
Exactly. Taking care of your gut doesn't require drastic changes. Simple things like eating more whole foods, managing stress, sleeping well, and maintaining a balanced lifestyle can gradually support a healthier gut environment. Over time, these small habits may help improve not only digestion, but also overall health and well-being.
Thank you so much for sharing these insights today. I bet our listeners picked up a ton of useful tips from this episode.
My pleasure.
After listening to today's interview, don't you feel that gut health is actually incredibly important? Why not take 1 to 2 months to really focus on your gut health and see how your body and mind transform? Feel free to leave a comment and share your results with us. If you found this conversation helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might also benefit from learning more about gut health. Sometimes, improving our well-being can start from the inside, literally.